Hi, I'm Pallavi Sane. I'm a psychotherapist and a counselor at Emoticons, and I am a remedial therapist and special educator at Dinanath Mangeshkar Hospital. I have more than 4 years of experience in my field, and today I'll be talking about special education and how is it different from occupational therapy and speech therapy. Special education is designed to cater for the needs of special children. A special educator focuses on the cognitive development of the child and they focus on their fine motor skills. We train them to acquire age appropriate skills by using different strategies. Special education is meant for children who are diagnosed with autism, ADHD, cerebral palsy, global delay, Down syndrome. So the age criteria which a special educator is actually needed is from 2 years up to 6 years, because during this age bracket we can do maximum work on the child. We can do maximum work on the child's fine motor skills, gross motor skills, cognitive development. So this age between 2 to 6 years is very critical. Now a child with ADHD, as many people may not know what is this ADHD. So it stands for attention deficit hyperactive disorder. So in this the child is pretty hyperactive and maybe their sitting tolerance can be 30 seconds up to 1 minute also. So we basically give strategies to help them increase their sitting tolerance, right? The other one is ASD. Now ASD stands for autism spectrum disorder. So here the child has got trouble relating to people, communicating to people, forming relationships, and they don't foresee or they don't understand certain norms and rules which the society has. So we help them calm down, we help them teach them the rules in a different strategy. Special education is designed to cater for the needs of children with special needs, such as children who have autism, ADHD, cerebral palsy, Down syndrome. So we basically teach them the skill which they would need to carry on their day-to-day life, or the career which they would want to build in the coming future. And it is different from what an occupational therapist does and what a speech therapist does. So what an occupational therapist does is that they train the child physically rather than the most gross motor skills are being taught to the child, such that the child can pursue that kind of a career. Whereas speech therapist gives a lot of emphasis on the speech. So whatever the child does, it has to be speech. Whereas in special education, we look after the cognitive development of the child. Age appropriate cognition is something which we deal with, special educators deal with. So the challenges that I face as a special educator when I'm dealing with the child and the parent is that for instance, if the child's goal in today's session is let's say that the child has to do 3 activities in half an hour, and for whatever reason the child is not able to do 3 activities and the child only ends up doing 1 activity for any other reason, maybe a mood swing, right? So that does become challenging to calm down the child. And where the parents are concerned, so usually every session goes on for 30 minutes with the child, and then we see the same child the next week. So in between the first session and the next session, we give a follow-up to the parent as to what strategies can they do at home. Now often it so happens is that the parent says, yeah, we are willing to do it, and they do not follow the follow-up program. And if they don't follow up the follow-up program, then the child doesn't increase by his stage. He's at the same level, and our aim is to help him slowly by getting on to the next level. So that becomes a big challenging task. Yeah, so the qualification of being a special educator. So I personally feel that you need to have a lot of patience and you really need to love children. According to me, these two qualifications, if you have, then that is like 80% your work is done. But academically and officially, in order to become a special educator, you need to do your B.Ed and M.Ed in special education from an RCI recognized institution. There are many therapists, psychotherapists who also practice after they do their MPhil from an RCI recognized institution. So that is also there. Like you can do a good course in special education by an RCI a registered institution. So the courses may be from, let's say, 1 year, 2 years, max is 2 years what I have heard of. Yeah. Yeah, so there is a lot of awareness regarding special education, special educators, what their work is, and why special education needed, and why is it the need of the hour, right? So Emoticons India is one such center which provides special education therapy sessions for children with special needs, and it's done by a special educator. I personally work in Emoticons and I do take cases for children with special needs. And Emoticons India also conducts workshops where special education is what exactly is special education is being told in the workshops. There are also skill training being given which is needed to be a special educator. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I hope most of your doubts are cleared about what exactly special education is and about special educator. However, if you still have certain doubts, please feel free to contact us, that is Emoticons India. And again, thank you for watching the video.